Hey guys, what is up? Today we're going to do a cricket bag, what's in my cricket bag, whatever. This is a Pro 500 kookaburra bag, and yeah, let's get into the stuff. So first we have my helmet. This helmet is really good, it's really comfortable and stuff. I use it so I don't get knocked out by balls and stuff, and it's really comfortable here. I think I damaged it. Next we have this Chris Gale bat, Andre Russell bat. We got a little case for it. But this bat I don't use, that's why the grip's off. I put it on my bat I use now because, yeah, it's just, yeah, the grip was breaking. Next we have this white ball. Well, it's an ink ready. I don't really use it because I use red hard balls. And then we got the 3 red hard balls. One ball there, one ball there. Everyone gets a ball. Oh god. Then we got this white ball. I don't use it unless it's like getting dark. Now we have the pads. These pads are Blade 450 kookaburra pads. They're alright, they're just big and they're cheap, but they're not good for running and stuff. I still use them in games, it just means I have to run faster. Next we have this object. I don't need to talk about that, that's just odd. Then we have this hairband thing. I don't use it because I have really good one here. $3, good quality. eBay sponsors me, you know. Yeah. And then we got here a bird. I use this bird for waiting for batting and stuff, and I distract kids with this. That's how you make the other team get no balls and stuff. Then we got these sunglasses. I use this if I'm fielding in the sun, because if I don't use them, I will literally drop every catch and I'll go, ah, the sun's burning my eyes. Pretty cringe, I know. Next we have these bales. I don't know why I have these, they're just in my bag. And yeah. Now we have these helmet pads. They're just comfortable. Then we have these gloves, very protective, they're really bulky, they're like 2 inches or something thick. They're Spartan gloves, and yeah, they're really dirty and stuff. I might get new ones because they're breaking around there, and my thumb piece there. And yeah, and we got a little case for it. And then we got this kaboom grip, that's for my actual kaboom I use now in games. Then we got the golden fidget spinner. This fidget spinner you can distract kids with. This is how you get 4 runs. You distract the bowler and then boom, smack them, bro. This is just really good stuff. Then we got my legendary bat. This bat is a kaboom. We put tape there, and tape there. It's really good. That's the pink Spartan grip I was talking about because the other one was ripping. Yeah, so that's that. Then last thing we have is a coin. So this coin is like 2 years old. It's been in there for, yeah, that many years. I don't really use it. I would use it if everything was cheap, as in like hot dogs and stuff, but it's like $2, so I can't really use it. But that's that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Yeah, we'll be posting 1 or twice a week, so yeah, that's that. And thank you. Bye.